Hey guys, so it's me Yashvia Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so without any further ado guys, today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix Elgato sound problem. Okay, let's say if you have switched you've switched from your speakers to, if you switch to your speakers, yes, you will have sound, but let's say you're using the 4K capture utility to record the gameplay on a single PC, then what will happen? You won't have any sound, you won't have any music sound, and you'll face some echoes as well. You have to go to elgato.com, and then right here where it says select your product, you wanna scroll this down and you wanna go to legacy product. And then yeah, I do have this one, 4K60 Pro. It is an internal capture card, it's not external. Okay, external are those box, these USB types are external. Internal are these one, which you'll have to click into, you have to install it. It goes onto an X16 lane or X8 PCIe lane onto your motherboard. Okay, so you wanna click on the HD60 right here. So just click download, continue to download. Alright, click open, install, click this, and hit next. By sharing anonymous data usage, nope. Okay, hit next. Where you'd like to blah blah. Okay, C drive, program files, hit next. Install, if prompted, click yes. So we are not gonna need of this game capture HD. Right click, delete this. We only gonna need of this sound capture. Double click this and just simply click on PC gaming. Okay, cause I'm gonna use this mode right here. And now where do you want to hear your gameplay? Of course, my speakers. And which output is your Elgato game capture device connected? You're gonna see this 4K60 Pro MK2 blah blah blah. Okay, then select this and keep it open, just minimize it.